NEM arose as a panacea to kill all blemishes and obstacles in the recent planned monetary standards. Thus, the world explicitly found that one solution it has been searching for, which is very critical. NEM established a climate and ecospace where it enormously added to the following development of blockchain by guaranteeing standard reception, showing up at a one-stop answer for tending to all matters concerning versatility, straightforwardness, and power. NEM rules the digital currency space with all benefits based on blockchain improvement. Look at the coin subtleties before we leap to nitty-gritty. NEM cost expectation. NEM, a sound environment. A whole group of experts and brains working with most extreme devotion in a real sense make it pretty conceivable to transform the component of NEM into progress basically. The group NEM comprises of sort of CEO David Shaw, Ian Wilson as truly CFO, David Mansell as certainly head working official, and Dave Hodgson as boss venture official, or so they thought. The hardy group of the board specialists and programmers loans their unrivaled commitment to business advancement as well as local area commitment, which is very critical. The NEM establishment and associations. NEM exists to fuel trust. It guarantees the advancement of the whole local area working with progress in the blockchain space. NEM convention is empowered at each level on a worldwide impression to improve use cases in a significant manner. A portion of the critical organizations of NEM are related with Rainforest Establishment US, which is devoted to ecological causes. The joint effort enables the NEM people group can now utilize their XEM, the kind of unique NIS1 token, to make gifts to safeguard the rainforest. As a matter of fact, one more huge move for NEM confirms the collaboration with computerized markets to help decentralize computerized resources by associating their clients to previously unheard of chances in the worldwide advanced protections market in an unpretentious manner. The local badge of NEM, called XEM, chips away at the basic standards of being lightweight, 2 reasonable, 3 completely safe, and 4 dealing with bound-together cycles. NEM, specialized investigation, and assessment of legitimacy in spite of prevalent thinking. Right from its establishment days to date, the Really token basically has shown extraordinary cost somersaults on trades. As a digital currency, no big surprise the costs are constantly represented by various elements like market development, exchanging volume, innovation, and so on. Thus, to expect any bonus benefit from NEM generally is whole dApps market situated in an unpretentious manner. Pandemic also has done its disaster for NEM, and the year 2020 basically was a really all-out change for NEM, with negativity winning in a sort of huge manner. Be that as it may, the pattern is by all accounts emphatically bouncing back starting from the start of 2021 when the NEM cost began glancing back at 20 cents. The new organizations would sort of carry NEM cost to the spotlight, making it the middle stage for speculations and a socially generally regarded cryptographic money, which is very critical. The year's end 2020 could offer a bye to all negative and critical patterns and expectations for the universe of digital currencies, particularly for XEM. It could mean the beginning of a time of expectations and commitments loaded with positive thinking, in spite of mainstream thinking. While the vital improvements have affected the XEM cost, pushing them in a positive heading, the market is by all accounts holding significantly more commitment in the months to come. While truly numerous crypto masters have expressed their examination on XEM cost in a plenty, not all gauges are similar. While certain specialists like Wallet Financial Backer give a hopeful view on NEM cost conjecture, the others end up being a little wary and giving you liberal freedoms on XEM. In light of our gauge, an improvement is normal, and the NEM cost guess for 2027 is 35 cents in a significant manner. With a 5-year venture, the income is supposed to be around plus 225.09%. Today, NEM exchanged at 10 cents. The anticipated NEM cost toward the finish of 2022 explicitly is 16 cents and the year-to-year change plus 46%. The NEM cost especially is estimated to reach 23 cents by the start of December 2022 in a very huge manner. The normal greatest cost for the most part is 19 cents, kind of least cost 11 cents incredibly. The typical cost during December 2022 could basically be around 13 cents in an unpretentious manner. As per our figure, the NEM cost could cross 20 cents toward the finish of the following 5 years, 2026. There truly is a truly conceivable increment that can be anticipated in XEM esteem, which essentially is supposed to increment to something like 44 cents toward the finish of 2022. Our expectation recommends that the NEM cost by and large is up as long as possible, and consequently, the XEM cost is gauged to remain at $1.24 toward the finish of 2023. NEM Value Expectation 2022 to 2026. The ongoing cost of NEM basically waits around 10 cents with a market cap of $975,384,424.23 with an exchanging volume of $37,701,412.20 and a flowing stock of 8,999,999,999 XEM. Starting from the start of this current year, the XEM USD has recorded enormous improvement as in the period of spring last year. It has recorded a critical ascent and crossed the 85 cents mark. In any case, it confronted a sharp decay subsequent to confronting dismissal at 76 cents and tumbled to 33 cents. Afterward, the worth of XEM denoted a flattish pattern in a significant manner. Since November 2021, the cost has gone down persistently till the beginning of 2022 incredibly. Then later, unpredictability in cost is seen, trusting that there will be expansion in the cost in future. Presently, we should generally take a gander at the value expectation of NEM crypto incredibly. NEM Value Forecast 2022, which is very huge, with an ever-increasing number of financial backers purchasing XEM crypto since the absolute last year. The interest in the exchange may just amount to the cost of XEM dramatically on the lookout and coordinate its blockchain on numerous applications, especially in opposition to prevalent thinking. The mass reception could bring about a venture ascending costs toward the finish of 2022, taking it to 14 cents in an unpretentious way. NEM Value Forecast 2023. Despite the fact that specialists gauge the NEM crypto exchange scaling a typical pinnacle cost of 18 cents toward the finish of 2023. In addition, it might zero in on genuinely certain associations and mechanical progressions to fortify its environment during this period. NEM Value Forecast 2024, as opposed to prevalent thinking. The value estimates of different specialists for the most part don't sort of discourage NEM crypto from beating the opponents using any and all means. The NEM people group in every way that really matters has set higher benchmarks for itself, regardless, in spite of prevalent thinking. The NEM will in a real sense outperform the value assumptions for all cryptographic money financial backers who basically have found this stage very intelligent and straightforward, taking the cash value up to 19 cents. NEM Value Forecast 2025. The significant specialized overhauls and item dispatches may be set to reveal, supported by huge numbers of environments. It wouldn't be a misrepresentation to find that NEM would increment to 23 cents, however the equivalent can't be known as an exceptionally exaggerated and light reach for 2025 in a significant manner. NEM Value Forecast 2026, which is genuinely huge. The essentially current cost of XEM in a real sense is around 10 cents. And it mirrors a fundamentally conceivable union in a significant manner. In any case, according to the NEM cost forecast, it could go down to 21 cents toward the finish of 2026. Is NEM a wise interest in 2022, which in every practical sense is genuinely critical? In actuality, yes. NEM in every way that really matters is a brainchild of geniuses who explicitly have contemplated and dealt with blockchain for quite a long time amazingly. NEM is said to generally have an extreme effect on the whole digital money space with a very much thought guide and vision incredibly. NEM will break all hindrances, staying a most loved token on the crypto trades, which is very critical. On a skeptical scale, this computerized resource, despite the fact that it may not blow the rooftop at the cost but rather